And welcome back. We begin with some news just in. It seems as though Theodore Tappa Whitmore's tenure as head coach of the Reggae Boys has come to an end. TVJ Sports understands that the majority of the JFF's 7-member technical committee will vote against the former Reggae Boy continuing in his role as head coach. The meeting to decide Whitmore's fate is set to start at 8:30 this evening. Whitmore has come under pressure following the team's poor run in the current World Cup qualifiers, which has left Jamaica lying 6th in the 8-team table with just 7 points after 8 games, 7 points behind 4th-placed Panama, who occupy the playoff spot in 4th. Now, Whitmore's current stint started in 2016, but he had an interim stint in 2007 and an assistant coach role in 2008 before taking over again as interim coach in the same year. His first role as head coach came in 2009 and ended in 2013. TVJ Sports further understands that the former England international Ricky Hill is in line to replace Whitmore, with Paul Hall remaining as assistant coach and director of football Wendell Downswell as advisor. Jamaica's next game in the World Cup qualifiers is against Mexico on January 27 at the National Stadium. We'll have more in this developing story. Meanwhile, the Reggae Boys' road to Qatar next year for the 2022 FIFA World Cup continues to be a rocky one after being held to a 1-1 draw at the National Stadium by the United States on Tuesday evening. More in this report.